Well, hello. It's a bit cold. But if I just move the tripod. We're at Wimbledon. Yeah. It's a Sunday, it's cold and my camera's about to die. Damn it. This could be a very brief video. Apart from the fact there's a district line leaving there. This video may not be that long. I was considering the fact that that district line has just left, and my camera's already starting to die. This may not be the longest video. I'll see what I can do. Alright, bear with me guys. There is a fast train about to pass through platform 7. Right. I'm not actually sure if you can do this. Okay, fast train! Going towards the harbour from Waterloo. In all honesty, the views here aren't the best because you've got that blooming fence in the way. You do get nice shots of everything coming in and out of this platform over here, which if I just turn the tripod, as you can see, there is a pair of 455s about to head off to Hampton Court.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
455741 and one of my classmates on the Hampton Court service. As over here, just making her diddly way out, is a pair of 455s into London Waterloo. Now the main reason why I've decided to come out and basically ride trains today is because Reading services are diverting through. But it's not just Readings, it's Windsor's as well. When I got to platform 8, a Windsor train was just leaving, being operated by a pair of 458s. But hopefully you should get a couple of Reading trains through, which will be running non-stop to Kingston. But apart from that, the pram's probably going to be left in this position the entire time, so I can barely be bothered to move it. We'll see what happens. Let's see what else shall turn up here at Wimbledon. District line there, going off. There's something, if I kind of put the camera there. And there she goes. That is off to Tower Hill. So not going all the way to one, instead just going as far as Tower Hill, but I'm pretty sure that's what all Wimbledon trains do. There does indeed appear to be another pairing of Class 455s making their way into platform numero 5.
South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Clapham Junction, calling at Earlsfield.
I wish this tripod could go ever so slightly taller.
This train has 8 carriages.
So if it could go ever so slightly taller, you'd actually get slightly better shots here. But because of the fact that it doesn't, you won't. Well, there you go, 455's putting in there. That is from Windsor, and that is being operated by 455861.
Platform 7.
But there is a fast one in pulling through platform 7. So I'll just hold this camera, to be fair. It's just slightly easier to. It's easier holding the tripod than it is actually holding the camera itself. Four 55912 coming in for Guildford. As 444, 009 and 002 make their way off to Basingstoke. Oh yeah, because they're only going as far as Basingstoke on the trains that should be going to Weymouth. But as you can see there is a little 455 4-car going to Guildford via Epsom. That's probably going to be quite fun. As the other set of 455s are making their way out into London Waterloo.
And Guildford. This train has 4 carriages. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform H.
This camera's actually really good at getting shots in the dark. I'm not sure if you're seeing this as good as I am on the preview screen, but it does actually look really nice. It does actually look really nice, I'll give it that. Alright, fair enough. Alright. Okay, now about to make its way through platform 5 is going to be something. Don't ask me what the bloomin' hell it is, because I haven't got a Scoobies. But it's going through quite slowly, and I wouldn't expect trains to go fast through platform 5. There is another district line train pulling in to terminate here at Wimbledon.
South Western Railway service.
There appears to be a train coming in from Basingstoke and Alton going into London Waterloo.
And London Waterloo. This train has...
I think it's the railhead treatment train. Yep, that is the railhead treatment train making its way through platform 5. Oh, that's going to be obstructed by the 450, isn't it? You probably can't see that as well as I can, but that is definitely railhead treatment train. No, 450. I'm going to be bowled by 450 with the railhead treatment train, aren't I? No! They're going at literally the exact same speed. Hang on. There you go. There you go, have the railhead treatment train. As the 450s from Basingstoke come to a stand on platform 7.
This station is now part of the station watch scheme,
Also about to pull in on platform 7. Would you shut up?
To increase your security whilst on a network. If you see any antisocial behaviour or anything unusual at this station, please tell a member of the team of the British Transport Police on 0800 405 040 or by text 61016. In emergency, always dial 999. Thank you.
Finally, you shut up. A couple of 450s putting in now are on the South Western Railway service to Basingstoke. There's the stopper. They make an additional stop at Wimbledon in the evenings. This one we'll call at, therefore, we'll call at, well, from London Waterloo, we'll call London Waterloo, obviously. Then it will go to Clapham Junction. Then to here, Wimbledon. Then it would go to, I want to say, Surbiton, Walton, Weybridge, Woking, Brookwood, Farnborough, Fleet, Winchfield, Hook and Basingstoke. That is not often you actually get that on platform 7, actually. And now about to make its way out of platform 6 is going to be the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo from the Basingstokes. As pulling its way into platform 8, which I'm going to focus on, will be a South Western Railway service going to, this might be the Reading, 450067, look at that, there you go. Oh, you're joking. Oh my god.
1750.
That is a busy Reading train.
Milton, Staines, Egham, Virginia Water, Long Cross, Sunningdale, Ascot, Martin's Heron, Bracknell, Wokingham, Winnersh Triangle, Early and Reading. This train has 8 carriages. Some stations have short platforms.
It's packed.
If you are travelling to Long Cross, you will need to travel in the back 7 carriages of the train. Please note, some of the lifts at Staines and all of the lifts at Wokingham are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform H.
Are you seriously not? Oh, don't you blooming start!
Please walk behind the yellow line. Once again, please walk behind the yellow line. Thank you.
Planned engineering work.
Oh, for God's sake! This is Announcement Central. This is the 450 going to Reading, which was utterly rammed. Also about to make its way in is going to be a Thameslink Class 700 going to Sutton, which you can just about see coming in just behind the foliage.
Thank you.
700-026. Thameslink do solely use platform 9 only. That's what they use. They only seem to use platform 9. I thought that one of them went into platform 8, but then again I'm now looking at the tracks and there is no way a Thameslink train could come into platform 8 and then use its same line to go back out again. So there you go. It is also really cold now. It's so cold. Luckily my train's in 10 minutes. It's so cold. Okay. Alright, maybe like one more train and then I think I will end it there. Cool. 700-026 level, heading off to Sutton. I'm going to go this level now, so I can see it as good as you guys. Ooh, good day.
The train now approaching platform 7.
Okay, we've got another fast one coming through, number 7.
The use of e-cigarettes.
There is a thing there. Oh no, there's that. Okay, I think we've got some fast 159s about to come fast through platform 7. Is it 159s? I think it is. London Waterloo to Westminster service. It's just gone to Clapham Junction and it's already made up that amount of speed. It is actually slightly shocking sometimes with how quickly the 159s accelerate. That just left Clapham Junction, which is I think is like, what, 3-4 miles away from here? But it's just going zoom, oh my gosh. Wow. That went zoom, okay. Right, camera coming off. Okay, to be fair, with that one now HUD off, I'm actually going to finish this video from Wimbledon here. So, once this 455 comes in, come on. One final shot of 455. 874 coming into Guildford.
South Western Railway service
with 863 on the back.
at Shepperton, Esher, Hersham.
Right, I'm going to go find some toilets before I go and get my train home. So, until the next time, if you have been, thanks for watching from Wimbledon.
And Guildford. This train
I'll see you
has
soon.
8 carriages.
Bye.
Please note the lifts at